Hello everyone, welcome to the video. Today in this tutorial I'm gonna show up how you can activate your Windows using the two Microsoft activation scripts. Mas this is a open source code is work to activate your Windows or your packed Office. So you can see right here, this is a 8 years old code, so it have so much time of exist, and I gonna show you some things to improve the confidentiality and the security of the program. Okay, it's the site right here. You can see you can contact her, you can uh, read the docs or the manual. You can see right here. I'm gonna show up the link on the description too, if you wanna see with more calm. This is the script right here. Is hosted on this site. You're gonna execute this on your PC. Uh, executing executing this code right here. In this site, have some people's talk about the program too. The more commentaries is a positive thing. It really works on this PC, so it's a good choice to activate your Windows. So let's go to the tutorial. It's very simple to do. The first thing you're gonna copy this code right here. I'm gonna show up this code on the description. You're gonna open the Windows PowerShell. You can click with your mouse on the right button. You can execute with the administration permissions. You're gonna accept. You're gonna paste the code. You're gonna click enter on your word. You're gonna need some time to download some things. Because my Windows already is activated, this is not gonna work for me, but I gonna show the all process to you can do on your PC too. Okay, have some activating methods like if you wanna activate your Windows, you're gonna press 1. If you wanna activate pack of Office, you're gonna write 1. If you wanna activate Windows Office and as you're gonna click 3. If you wanna activate Windows and Office, you're gonna click 4. So in this time, I'm gonna click 1 because this video is about activating your Windows, but if you wanna activate your packed Office too, is like Excel, Word, or PowerPoint, you can do too. Oh, so you're gonna click 1, you're gonna add some time, is gonna download the the things of the key, is gonna activate your Windows, but in this time my Windows is already activated, so I gonna later close the page, but in your PC is gonna download, is gonna activate your Windows after you click 1. Okay, I gonna show doing that, but it's gonna say to me my Windows is already activated. So it's gonna initiate some things, installing generic product K, and is already done. You can see that my Windows 10 Pro is permanently activated with a digital license. So I'm gonna press any key to go back. I'm gonna close this page too. I'm gonna close this page too. So your Windows is already activated. So the tutorial today is very simple. You can do in your PC or whatever PC you want. Yeah, it is a good tutorial because you can do and you don't need to download anything. So with that, thank you for the viewing. I appreciate that.